The reason I'm doing this video is because the GoPro Max has what's called horizon leveling. So you're supposed to be able to spin it around and it compensates and keeps everything perfectly level. You can play back the footage, it looks like it wasn't moving at all. In fact, let's go ahead and try that right now. I'm going to turn it on, spin it around, and now we go back and look at that footage. The horizontal leveling works really good if you're just using it like an action cam and it's kind of bouncing around. I'm just wondering what happens when we push that to its limits. Where is it going to break down? When is it going to stop working? I have a DeWalt drill here, and this is rated at 2,000 RPM. I'm going to have to move this back and forth, try to get it adjusted. It's really wobbly. That's getting a little better. Whoa! Hopefully everything is balanced out this time. Camera's rolling. Hey! That worked. That was its max, assumably 2,000 RPM if it's actually doing what it says it's doing. Let's see what the video looks like. So that's just a complete blur. It does look kind of cool though. You can make like some kind of abstract art out of it or something. I'm curious to see at what point it will start working. This has 2 speeds. I'm gonna bump it down to the first gear, and it says it goes 600 RPM when it's in first gear. So let's try that out. Start out slow. Okay. Start out slow. Okay. If I'm not going full speed on the drill, I have no way of knowing what the RPMs are because the RPM rating on the drill is only for the max speeds. But here's like a side-by-side comparison so you can just watch and see how fast it's spinning and when the GoPro is no longer compensating for it. And now it is time for our featured product of the day, which is the telescoping selfie stick, which extends out 8 feet. And this is a must-have accessory for any of you shooting on 360 cameras. And if you think that you have no use for an 8-foot-long selfie stick, let me convince you otherwise. Go watch this video right here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Go check out my other videos. I will see you guys next time. And I am doing a video like almost every day right now, so stay tuned, hit that bell notification.